How to find contacts in Google Dialer after the new update. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your contacts in the new Google Dialer layout. A lot of people are confused after the recent update because the contacts option isn't as easy to spot. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. All right, let's get started. Open up your Google Dialer app on your phone. At the very top, you'll notice a few tabs. Things like Contacts, Missed, All, and so on. What you want to do is tap on the All tab. Now look just over on the right side. You should see an option that says View Contacts. Go ahead and tap that. And just like that, you'll see your full list of contacts appear. Super simple. And if you're not a fan of this new design and want to go back to the old layout, I've made another video that shows you exactly how to do that. So check it out after this one. That's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks.